New England, renowned for its many lighthouses, picturesque landscapes, historical richness, and of course lobster, serves as a must-visit epicenter for seasonal attractions and culinary delights. Viewcation presents the best things to do in New England. The Freedom Trail, Boston. Stepping onto the Freedom Trail is like flipping through the vivid pages of America's history. Situated in the heart of Boston, Massachusetts, this 2.5-mile-long path connects 16 significant historical sites, offering an enriching walk through time. Consider starting your journey early to avoid the crowds and fully absorb the stories encapsulated in these landmarks. In the vicinity, you'll find an array of dining options, ranging from historic taverns to modern eateries. If you're planning to stay overnight, the surrounding area boasts a variety of accommodations to fit every budget. The Ben & Jerry's Factory, Waterbury. Satisfy your sweet tooth with a visit to the Ben & Jerry's Factory in Waterbury, Vermont. A paradise for ice cream enthusiasts, here you get a sneak peek into the making of the iconic Creamy Delight. Don't forget to sample the flavor of the day. Driving is the best way to reach the factory, with ample parking available. Acadia National Park, Maine. Acadia National Park presents a breathtaking amalgamation of sea and mountain where rugged cliffs meet the roaring Atlantic. A haven for outdoor enthusiasts, the park offers an extensive network of hiking and biking trails. For lodging, you can choose between camping inside the park or opting for comfortable accommodations in the nearby town of Bar Harbor. While there, you might want to explore the Bass Harbor Head Lighthouse, a picturesque spot that offers great photo opportunities. Mystic Seaport, Connecticut. Mystic Seaport transports you to a time when the sea was the main highway for trade and transport. A living history museum, it offers a unique insight into maritime life of the 19th century. The seaport is best enjoyed with a leisurely stroll, taking time to appreciate the historic ships and maritime exhibits. To make the most of your visit, you might want to consider staying in one of the nearby waterfront hotels, offering splendid views and easy access to the seaport. Six Flags New England, Massachusetts. For a day filled with thrills and excitement, make your way to Six Flags New England in Massachusetts. This world-class amusement park offers a roller coaster of experiences, quite literally, with its heart-stopping rides and attractions suitable for both adrenaline junkies and families. From towering roller coasters to gentle carousels, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Dining options within the park cater to a variety of tastes, offering a delightful break between the rides. Located near Springfield, visitors have numerous lodging options to choose from, ranging from family-friendly hotels to cozy inns. The Appalachian Trail. Gear up and venture out on an adventure of a lifetime on the Appalachian Trail, which stretches over 2,000 miles across several states, including a significant portion traversing through New England. The trail beckons hikers with picturesque vistas, diverse terrains, and a sense of unparalleled freedom. Along the way, you'll encounter lush forests, rolling hills, and some local wildlife. Whether you're planning a short day hike or a more extended expedition, the trail offers a chance to reconnect with nature at its purest. Make sure you check local resources for information on trail conditions and nearby amenities. The Flume Gorge, New Hampshire. Prepare to be awed by the Flume Gorge, a natural granite gorge extending 800 feet at the base of Mount Liberty. The boardwalk allows you to walk right at the heart of this geological wonder, providing spectacular views of the surrounding natural beauty. Being a popular attraction, it is advisable to visit during weekdays to avoid the weekend rush. The Breakers, Newport. Get carted back in time into the era of the Vanderbilts with a visit to the Breakers in Newport, Rhode Island. This grand mansion exemplifies the opulence of the Gilded Age with its elaborate interiors and stunning gardens. A guided tour will lead you through the luxurious rooms, offering a glimpse into the lavish lifestyle of its former inhabitants. Newport hosts a range of accommodation options, from upscale hotels to charming bed and breakfasts. You can also enjoy a leisurely walk along the Cliff Walk, which offers panoramic ocean views. Shelburne Farms, Vermont. Shelburne Farms offers a satisfyingly rustic experience. This 1,400-acre working farm and education center showcases sustainable farming practices where you can enjoy fresh farm-to-table meals. It's an ideal place for a family outing offering hands-on experiences and a chance to connect with nature. For a complete experience, consider staying at the Farms Inn that offers comfortable rooms with beautiful views of Lake Champlain. The Farms restaurant is a treat, offering dishes prepared with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Portland Head Light, Maine. The Portland Head Light stands as a majestic beacon on the shores of Fort Williams Park. Established in 1791, it's the oldest lighthouse in Maine, offering picturesque vistas against the backdrop of the rugged coastline. It's a great place for a stroll and to capture some memorable photographs. Nearby, the city of Portland offers a vibrant dining scene and a variety of accommodations to suit every budget. Martha's Vineyard, Massachusetts. Martha's Vineyard offers a tranquil retreat, boasting pristine beaches and charming small-town vibes. It's a perfect destination to unwind, with activities ranging from biking to sailing. While there, don't miss the chance to explore the quaint shops and cafes that dot the island. The island is accessible by ferry from several locations, including Woods Hole in Massachusetts. Mark Twain House, Hartford. A visit to the Mark Twain House is a pilgrimage for literature enthusiasts. The Hartford, Connecticut-based residence, where Twain penned several of his famous works, offers a deep dive into the life and times of the iconic author. The guided tours provide an intimate look at Twain's family life and his writing studio. To extend your literary journey, consider staying overnight in Hartford, which offers a range of accommodations and dining options. The Harriet Beecher Stowe Center is another nearby attraction literature lovers might find interesting. Green Mountain National Forest, Vermont. Discover the untouched beauty of Green Mountain National Forest in Vermont. This sprawling sanctuary offers miles of hiking and biking trails, providing ample opportunities to explore the verdant wilderness. For a serene getaway, consider renting a cabin in the vicinity. During your stay, visit the nearby historic town of Rutland, where you can indulge in some local dining and shopping experiences. Block Island, Rhode Island. Escape the bustle of daily life with a visit to Block Island in Rhode Island. Known for its pristine beaches and crystal clear waters, it's a haven for those seeking tranquility and natural beauty. You can explore the island on bike or on foot, uncovering hidden gems along the way. Make sure to secure accommodations in advance, especially during the peak season. Old Sturbridge Village, Massachusetts. Voyage back in time at Old Sturbridge Village in Massachusetts. This living museum recreates life in rural New England during the 19th century. The village offers interactive experiences with costumed historians and craftsmen, providing a vibrant glimpse into the past. In the vicinity, you'll find a selection of charming inns and hotels to choose from. The White Mountains, New Hampshire. Experience the grandeur of nature in the White Mountains in New Hampshire. This expansive mountain range offers breathtaking vistas and a plethora of outdoor activities, including hiking, skiing, and ziplining. If you're planning an extended visit, the area has several cozy lodges and cabins, providing an ideal base to explore the surrounding natural wonders. Make sure to plan a trip to the Flume Gorge, a striking natural formation that promises awe-inspiring views. Now it's time to hear from you. Have you ever visited any of these great spots in New England? If not, do you think you'll ever get there? Let us know in the comments section below.